I'm going to demonstrate how to recalibrate the transmitter on a Wacker Neuson RTSC3 transmitter. So some potential reasons you would want to recalibrate your transmitter on your trench roller would be if you replace a main circuit board, you replace any one of the two travel or steering paddles on the transmitter. These are probably the most common reasons you would recalibrate your transmitter, is replacement of the main circuit board and or one of the two paddles is replaced. To recalibrate the transmitter, we're going to power on the unit. Now typically you will know when a transmitter is requiring a recalibration. The power lamp here will be a solid red, which is usually a good indicator that you need to recalibrate your transmitter. In this case, we're going to perform the function, just an example. So the transmitter is on. I'm going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. If we watch that power LED lamp, I let go after 5 seconds. Now we're at a solid green state. I'm going to press and hold again for 5 seconds, and then we will see that rapid flash of the green LED power lamp on the transmitter. That rapid flash indicates that I'm in calibration mode. Now to calibrate the paddles on the transmitter, we're going to be performing the same function 4 times because we have 4 functions of the paddles: forward, reversed, left, and right. I'm going to perform my forward travel calibration. I'm going to press and hold forward all the way 100%. I'm going to press then the power button at the same time. And if we watch that power lamp and signal being sent to the machine itself, it's going to rapidly flash, indicating that I just calibrated my forward travel. I'm going to repeat the procedure for reverse, pull backwards 100%, press my power button, seeing that green flash on my signal being sent out. Calibrate my left function, hold it all the way to the left, press the power button, signal being sent, confirms that calibration, and travel right or right paddle position, press the power button, and that signal is being sent. The transmitter automatically goes back to its default home state where the transmitter is now active and functional. So you have just recalibrated a Wacker Neuson RTSC3 transmitter.